Good morning, guys. On Friday, I mentioned about setting up a template or some egg trays and counters like we do in school. Obviously, I'm restricted to what I have here. And I've got a pot of change, so I've found some 10p's for the 10s. I've found some 1p's, obviously, for the 1s. So we're going to start looking at 1s to start with. And I'm going to give you today, really, to set up something like this, because it's going to be really important, not just for the addition, but obviously for subtraction. And then when we move on, just that understanding. And the key thing that you need to get the children to understand with this is that, first of all, the representation of numbers in the trays. So that is 9, and I can see that it is 9 because I've got 5 in one row, and one row is half. So that's 5 and 4, and 5 and 4 is 9. I also see that 1 out of 10 is 9. But the biggest thing that we can do at the moment is for them to understand that once I do that, everything changes. So without that, I have now 1s. But with that, I don't have 10 10s. 10 1s, sorry, I have 1 10. And that's how it changes. And we call that exchanging. The children have been told that that is exchanging and what that looks like. So that's what we're going to work on. So today, if you could get that sort of a grid set up with counters, now they don't have to be 1p's, 10p's and pounds. It can be any 3 different things that you've got 20 of. It could be buttons, it could be pieces of fruit, it could be slices of vegetables, it could be bottle tops, anything that you've got at home that you can use, because the more practical you can make this, the more understanding is going to be in it. Okay, back soon.